In this video, I'll show you how to receive news about X product and feature updates on X.com, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is useful if you want to stay informed about new features, platform changes, and official updates directly in your email notifications without having to check manually all the time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, log into your X account on X.com. Once you're on the home page, look at the left navigation bar and click on More. This opens up the full menu with additional settings and options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, notification preferences, privacy options, and personalization settings in one place. Next, click Notifications. This section controls how X sends you alerts about activity, updates, and account-related messages. After that, click Preferences. Here, you'll find a range of notification settings that let you decide exactly what type of updates you want to receive. Now select Email Notifications. This is the area where you can manage what X sends directly to your inbox, which is especially helpful if you want official product news without missing important updates. Finally, find the option labeled News about X product and feature updates and toggle it on. Once it's enabled, X will start sending you email updates about new product announcements and feature releases. And that's it. You're now set up to receive news about X product and feature updates through email. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick tutorials like this one.